Hello everyone and welcome to Ben's Adventures in the UK. Today I have a special guest, Zik.
Hello everyone.
Zik has a long nose, a big black hat, a wallet, and very bad teeth. Is Zik a police officer? No, Zik is a witch. You are a witch.
Yes, I am.
Now, I want to fly. Zik, I want to fly. And Zik, the witch, has a potion for me to fly. Here are the ingredients. Number 1, dragon blood. Number 2, 1 small spider. Number 3, some rats. And number 4, fingers. Ooh, Zik. Okay, are you ready for the recipe? Yeah? Let's go. First, we add 1 cup of dragon blood. Ooh, dragon blood. 1 cup. Nah, 1 bottle. What? Ooh. Okay. Then we add 1 small spider. 1 small spider? Or 1 big spider? Small spider or big spider? Yeah, 1 big spider. Bye. And we stir. Now we add 5 rats.
I don't have rats.
No rats?
No rats.
So 5 eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Haha, perfect. What? And finally, we add 3 fingers. Oh, gross. Ah! Oops. It's okay. Now, stir your potion. Zik, your potion is not good. No.